ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Kelly Bates.
Well, good evening and welcome back. We do have a whole lot of cloudiness in places. We're overlooking the capital city. We also have some showers on the way that will be with us once we get into the overnight time frame. So a quick look at our headline shows that we're expecting clouds to linger through tomorrow. Temperatures topping out only in the low 60s. We're going to start both Sunday and Monday with some patchy morning fog, but our summer-like trend begins to take hold as soon as we start the work week. We're looking at temperatures that will be rising day to day, pushing 80 degrees by the time we get to midweek. And in fact, most of the week is looking to be, well, pretty nice. Temperatures in the 70s at least. So our current temperatures are on our way down from our daily high, which really isn't too much farther from where we are right now. We do have 58 in Providence, 62 in Westerly. We're at 59 in Smithfield. As we go towards the east, we are finding cooler temperatures, at least in New Bedford, with a current of 55. Winds have been up today. You'll note our wind direction moving in from the northeast, and a northeasterly wind does tend to lock us in a low-level clouds. It can give us patchy fog, mist, and drizzle, and we're going to see sort of a variety of those things as we go into the overnight tonight. In terms of this evening, the winds are basically between 5 and 15 miles per hour. We have been picking up occasional higher gusts, and that's going to continue too. You see, what's going on is we have this front that is to our west that wants to move through. At the same time, that coastal storm that was here that brought all the rain, this is the western fringe of it, and it is backspilling precipitation into southern New England. So we have the two of them that are sort of meeting up locally, and that's going to keep the clouds here. It's going to keep the chance of showers in the forecast. And until that front moves, we can't get into the good stuff. But we will. We're just going to have to wait until Monday, until that area of high pressure can come in and take charge of things. And here's how that's expected to happen. Here's our front. It wants to move, and it will. It's just going to be really, really slow. By the time it finally clears the area, it's going to be once we get in towards Monday. So tomorrow, when we go through the day, a lot of clouds hanging out, lower chance of precipitation, but still a gray day all around. Here are your clouds that will be in place to start Monday, but then high pressure moves in. And by the time we get to lunchtime, most of the region should be fully sunny. And once we get to the sun, we get to keep it for, it looks like, several days. So we have some good stuff on the way. Our rain chances, as we look through the next 5 days, they go down once we get into the week. And you'll notice that none of them really pop up over 30%, even as we look into the week ahead. So again, we do have some good stuff coming. It's just unfortunate that we can't time it out with a weekend. Now, in terms of the area rivers, we do have flooding that is being reported here, not here. So as we look at the Patuxent, things are fine. We are finally below flood stage, but we're going to remain above flood stage in the Pawcatuck. Excuse me. So our flood warning is going to be in effect, it looks like, through Tuesday in terms of that river. Here were our highs. These weren't our highs today. We didn't make it to 73 in Providence. Sometimes it throws a random number in the major cities. And, well, this would be one of those times. Apologies. But our highs tomorrow should be a little bit better. Again, topping out in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees for most areas. Sometimes technology is wholly uncooperative. Regardless, here's what we're looking at for tonight. Temperatures should be dropping to about 51, so we're going to hold in the 50s, which is fine for sleeping with the windows open, but still, it's not going to be awesome for tomorrow. Morning fog, clouds, spot shower, sprinkles in here as well. So it is going to be a rather gray day with, again, a slight chance of seeing a shower. Here's your extended forecast, and we do bring the sun back. Again, it should be here by the time we get to Monday afternoon, rather. Tuesday and Wednesday are looking to be spectacular. Wednesday is going to be the warmest day of the week, as highs will likely top the 80-degree mark. Nice, right?
Definitely nice.
Yeah, and our next chance of showers looks to be on Thursday. All the while, we're going to hold with temperatures 70 degrees or above starting Monday, lasting right into next week.
We just got to get through the week.
Absolutely.